Okay, I quickly want to go over the features of these SUV drawers. Let's start off with the fact that they're locked when they are closed, and you release the lever and pull them out, and then they lock when they are open. Release the lever and you can push them back in. Not everybody has the same cargo goals in their SUV, so we don't lock you into one size. Some people need a shallower or lower drawer. Some people need a deeper drawer. We give you a variety of choices to choose from, and if you choose two or more, they can be bolted together with brackets. You can put them side by side, you can put them on top of each other. You can be sure that they don't come off while you're bouncing down the road because the drawers actually bolt together. I also didn't want to lose any of the side areas. Sometimes there's pockets over here that come with your SUV, access to tools and different areas. And if there happens to be a couple inches of a nook or cranny over here made by the opening of the panels, that's a great place to store cables or ratchet straps or shoes, and I didn't want to deck all the way across and lose that. So with this drawer system, you still have access to all your side panels that's in your stock SUV. Before you order, you definitely want to measure the space in your SUV, decide which drawer fits your space best. Installation takes just a few minutes. All the hardware is included. Every SUV is different, even from year to year. Some SUVs you can mount straight to the factory rings that the seats mount to, like on this Toyota, the third row came out and we mounted to the seat mounts right there. Some SUVs will have D-rings in the floor or on the side. It just depends which one you get. And that's why we send you multiple types of hardware. We send you 2 turnbuckles, 4 hand buckle straps, so that you have choices on where to mount to. These SUV drawers were designed with T-slots everywhere. So that way you can mount a D-ring to any spot on this SUV drawer. So no matter where your mounting location ends up in your SUV, you will have a convenient spot along the SUV drawer to attach it to. All of the SUV drawers are completely made of a metal framework that bolts together. No wood glues, no wood joints, no wood screws. You can load up to 500 pounds right here on the top of these SUV drawers. These are made right here in St. George, Utah.